How's the work-life balance at Velocity application team? That's not my question. Hi everyone. So the Velocity team has come together for the offsite meet, and this is the right time to discuss our journey as a team, as an organization, what all we have done so far, what is working well, and what are the challenges we have faced. So we will see Velocity in 2030. So let's hear from our Velocity team.
Work-life balance. Currently, we are working in the remote environment, which is, suitable for me to say that, because I can work anywhere. I can work anywhere in the country and then still complete my task. There's no restriction that I have to sit in one place and then do my work. That's the flexibility. Given task and can be completed without pressure or so. You can work in your own pace, but meet the deadlines. That is very important.
I would say working well at Velocity is very good, where you can do your own activity along with the work that is already allocated to you. Apart from it, Velocity also provides the learning opportunity where you can learn, collaborate with your team members and execute whatever you want to execute in the organization.
Working at Velocity enabled me to take care of my family. I had other family priorities while working professionally for my career, which I was not able to do at other firms. But when I came over to Velocity, I was able to balance both my work priorities and my family responsibilities.
So the first thing is we have a permanent work from home here, and with whatever teams we have, so we have different departments. We have our quality assurance team, we have our dev department, we have operations, we have customer success. So if you talk to any one of them from any team, all of them are very cooperative. So even though we are doing work from home, it doesn't feel like we do not know each other. So we are like kind of a big family which are working together. So yes, that is what I love as part of Velocity.
Well, we diligently work, we trust each other, and above all, we work harder, we party harder.
Well, it gives me freedom to work, and it's I would say sky's the limit. I do have a good background, so in terms of AML, so I'm certified. CAM certified, I'm PMP and CSPU, and now when it comes to applying those skills at work, so I get utmost freedom to apply those, and in any way, any form or shape I want. It's just the output has to come, so that way I get the max over here at Velocity.
I would rate it as 8 because there's always a scope of improvement. And since I've worked with multiple products like Velocity, so yeah, I would rate it 8.
So when compared to other applications, Velocity application is it's very comprehensive solution. It has got all the flavors, it covers all the varied monitoring scenarios, and it's flexible. When it comes to other solutions, they are rigid, but when it comes to Velocity, it's very friendly, very customer friendly, and it's flexible in terms of customization. So that's the reason I would like to love Velocity application compared to others.
Yes, we did in a lot of cases with respect to the performances, wherein most of the modules we have enhanced it. So we have enhanced it, but we are still improving it to make it better in most of the modules. And we have also, transaction workflows are, enhanced and made better workflows for the transaction processing, and also for the KYC compliance related. Most of the manual intervention is avoided, and most of them are automated to get the KYC customer data and so forth.
Velocity has a strong focus on customer problem solving, especially from product perspective. We try to build or create or design the features based on the client requirement, ensuring it is usable and practical.
I would say it's a mix of both. Reason being, sometimes you get all the things at one go and you become very overwhelmed. So it becomes very easy at that time. However, sometimes it's all how you handle your client relationship. So it becomes very smooth once you have the relationship with your client, and then it's more of weekly checking your communication with the client on day-to-day basis, and it will go very slow paced, slowly. So I would suggest it's both.
So I have a plan which I wanted to execute and advise to the employees that we should segregate our work-life balance with the 8-8-8 rule. 8 hours for working, 8 hours for sleep, and 8 hours for our personal life. So that's how we can maintain a balance.